I found this adhesive paper in my local Dollar Tree, and it's clear. You can find this in the drawer and cabinet liner section. With a pen, I just hand drew a Christmas tree, a 3-layered Christmas tree. With a pair of scissors, I cut this section out. Folded it in half and cut out the tree with a pair of scissors. When you fold it in half, you will have equal parts on both sides. I found this mason jar also at the Dollar Tree, and I liked it because it had the internal votive that you can take out. I placed my clear Christmas tree, try to make it level in the center of my jar. I took the votive part out and grabbed a bottle and wrapped it with aluminum foil and placed the jar upside down just for a stand as I paint it. You want to protect yourself if you're indoors with not a lot of ventilation. I used a mask. And I found this spray paint at Hobby Lobby, and I will post a picture of it at the end, and it's in gold. It was my first time using this particular brand, and they come in little tiny, almost like a travel size, and it was just enough for a craft. And I was very happy with the coverage and the color. I took a razor blade and lifted up the adhesive that I had stuck to the front. I found those little gold votive candles also at the Dollar Tree in gold. And there you go. Guys, this was super easy and very inexpensive. If you enjoyed this video, go subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chalk It Up Fancy. And if you have any paint needs or brushes, we have Wise Owl at chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.